I'm here to talk about the cure for cancer. I know, that sounds crazy, right? Like, cure for cancer, like everybody's trying to find the cure for cancer, and it exists? Yeah, it does exist. Please go to this website as soon as possible, youtube.com/CHRYCHEK. Watch the film. It's a guy in Canada who basically discovered it. Just a normal person who it fell into his lap, basically. He was suffering from some head injuries. He was taking prescription medication. He had cancer. Basically, they gave him, a month to live or whatever. And he found this cure, and he healed himself. And now he's basically traveling all over Canada. It's, I don't know how underground it is. Like, a lot of people could know about it. I don't know. I just discovered it, and I want you guys to discover it as well. So please watch the video and have an open mind and just know that the cure for cancer is on the planet right now. So go out there and just be aware. Namaste.